Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to start your journey on PowerApps. That is the introduction to PowerApps, how to build your app. So first of all, you need to know where exactly you can do this, and that is on the PowerApps Power Platform site. So we have the make.powerapps.com. Please navigate to this site, make.powerapps.com, and choose your environment, on which environment you want to try to build your app, right? So where exactly you can find this Power Apps is like you can always have a trial version of it installed on your system, and you can always use the trial version. The trial version is available on the Microsoft website, so that is a good starting point and learning point for you to learn the Power Platform, starting with the Power Apps. So let's get started with how exactly and what app options you can find once you navigate to the powerapps.com. So you have different options here to create your app. Like I already mentioned, you have to choose your environment on which your app will be designed. So we have different options on the left hand side, where you have the home create option, which lets you create your app, and you have some tutorials where you can always go for a go and learn for a quick reference. And you have certain option called plans, where you can always go choose what plan suits for you, and the list of all the apps here. And we have AI hub, and we have different other options here. We have tables, flows, solutions, agents, monitor, catalog, etc., etc. And you also have the Power Platform Admin Center. So coming to the main part of the site here, we have the creating your app here, right? So we have uh, 4 different ways to create your Power App. So basically, when I say this Power App, I'm going to start with Canvas app. So from the Canvas app, I will next move on to model-driven apps in my later videos. But first, let's start with the Canvas app. So you have the creator option here. So using the create option, you can always get started with the creation of your Canvas app. So there are 4 different ways to create your app. Start with your app design. The first way is to start with a Copilot. So start with Copilot means that we have the Copilot from Microsoft, through which you can design your app. So you just need to mention what kind of app the Copilot needs to create. You just have to describe the functionality of the app, and the Copilot creates the app for you. And then you can go ahead and make changes to the app to add your own functionalities. Next, there is second way of creating your Canvas app is through data. So what I mean to say here is that you can start creating your Canvas app using uh, any data as starting point, right? So you can use your Excel and create your Canvas app. You can use your SharePoint, which is one of the data source, and that through that as the base, you can create a Canvas app. Or you can also use Dataverse, which is the core backend data of Power Platform, and you can create your Canvas app. The third way is to start with a page design. So page design lets you start the Canvas app using a page design. You can choose from whatever page design you want. There are different types of page designs which are available here, and you can use any one of it which best suits your requirement, and you can start creating your app. And you also have the basic blank Canvas app, which will help you to create your own app if in case you are not very much into already existing designs. You can create your own design using the blank Canvas app, which is for the tablet format as well as phone format, right? So let's go back. And the last of the creating your app, the last method is actually using a blank canvas. Like I already mentioned, that you had the option here in the page design where you had an option to create from the blank canvas. You can here directly go to a blank canvas and you can directly create your app. So once you click on the blank canvas, you have certain options here. That is, you have the responsive option, you have tablet size, and you have phone size. So how exactly you want to start the design? So either it can be responsive, it can be tablet size, or it can be phone size. What exactly do you mean by responsive? Responsive in the sense that your app will, the layout of the app will get adjusted automatically to the layout of your device. That is, it either it can be desktop, tablet, or phone, right? It is responsive. That is the reason why it's called responsive design. So the app can adjust itself to the device you're using. The next is the tablet size. So you can create your app in the tablet size available, or you can also create your app in the phone size, which is available. So there are three different ways to design your layout for a canvas app when you are starting with the blank canvas option, right? And you have rest of the other things on the side here, like you have the agents and you have flows and AI hub, and you have certain tutorials where you can always go and refer, and you also have the option to see the existing templates and use in any of the template for your app. So that option is also present here on the PowerApps, make.powerapps.com. So this is about the introduction to your PowerApps platform, where exactly you can start creating your app. So I hope you like this video. For more such videos, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.